However, in Niger State, we have issued an executive order today that has stopped. It must stop. So, but the mopping of these food items that are locally for our people by a cartel of people who are now doing sabotage to the economy must be brought to the fore. The government must wake up. We are going to wake up to that reality. We are going to disallow people from carrying trucks to our local villages and packing our food and leaving our people without food. Trucks who come to pack or buy foodstuffs from our villagers in bulk should be halted for now. We have stopped mass purchase from our local market in all our local government from now henceforth until further notice. Anybody found doing that, we have given security agencies go ahead to confiscate those trucks and share the food to the people.
Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.